If you are going through the peaks and valleys of financial issues and problem with your consumer agencies and you want to be financially free, you can. But all you have to do is be disciplined, learn personal finance. That is not even taught us in schools, colleges, or universities. That's what we like, the personal finance management and stuff all like that. Second, start your own business. Do something which you're passionate about and learn the two great fundamentals of succeeding in your business or everyday life, and that's called sales and marketing. Sales and marketing to me is just like two edges of the sword. If you are taking even one side not sharpened of that sword in the battlefield, you are less likely to win. So learn about the human engineering. It's only 15% what you got the degree, like you're a physician, you're an engineer, or you're any kind of special holding a degree in that field. It just works 15%. All you have to do is learn 85% of the other thing, which is called the human engineering. That is gonna take you boom to where you want in your business or in your daily life, how to communicate and negotiate with people. Invest, get your job in retail, get your job in kind of sales so you can learn how to speak, how to fill the demands of those who require what they want. Second, learn about the money. Learn about the personal finance. Learn about the money management. It's not about how you budget your personal finance in your home. It's about how you budget your investments, how you budget your investments in your business to get the better results and keep your business going up and up. That's why a lot of successful companies make the right decision by learning the new changes in the market field. Go out and do it yourself and succeed.